Hello everyone and welcome, and today we're doing a quick review on Nordpass. You see, Nordpass claims to be the next generation password manager with advanced security features to give your team the tools they need with Nordpass to safely manage and share passwords and other sensitive data, ensure your operations are both secure and efficient. Now let's see if what they're saying is actually the truth. Now they say they make password security simple. Businesses and individuals worldwide rely on Nordpass to secure and manage their passwords, passkeys, credit cards, and other sensitive data. So they help you generate strong passwords, securely share passwords with co-workers, and find out when data has been breached for businesses and for personal use. So ditch your passwords for passkeys. Passkeys offer a new, more secure and seamless way to log into your account, whether at home or at work. Want to learn more? Click here to learn more about passkeys. They also protect data with end-to-end encryption. So Nordpass uses XChacha20 encryption within its zero-knowledge architecture to ensure that only authorized users can access sensitive data in the vault. You want to learn more about the encryption? Click here. It is compatible with all your devices: iOS devices, Android devices, Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Opera, and Edge. You want to check out their plans? Click here to check out their plans. So you can monitor potential data breaches, set up breach monitoring, and scan the web for breaches involving your company emails and domains. Receive timely alerts in case your data is found to be exposed. To learn more about breach monitoring, click here. You can also put security with a built-in authenticator, generate time-based one-time password (TOTPS) directly in Nordpass for secure, simplified two-factor authentication, adding an extra layer of protection to your account. What is this built-in authenticator? Click here to find out more. We have award-winning solutions for you and your organizations, for business and personal. They also have what we call AI-powered autofill. You see, if you're tired of typing the same details over and over again, let Nordpass handle it. They have AI-driven autofill instantly to help you fill out forms, credit card information, and passwords, whether you're shopping, booking a trip, or logging into your favorite app. Nordpass makes it seamless and secure. Want to see the magic behind it? Click here. It helps to build privacy also with email masking. Now, this means keeping your personal or corporate email address anonymous. Nordpass lets you create unique email marks that hide your real addresses and prevent unwanted data exposure. You can enjoy peace of mind and enhance privacy. Want to know more about email masking? Click here. It also helps you generate complex passwords. You see, the Nordpass password generator creates complex and highly secure passwords, allowing you to adjust length, symbol type, and case sensitivity. Want to know more? Check out the features right here. So a lot of viewers have great things to say. Businesses, YouTube, Trustpilot, and Twitter viewers all have great things. Users have great things to say. So you can secure your family and friends by getting up to 53% off if you share the Nordpass Premium with up to 6 family members or friends for a smooth and secure online experience and share the best value for your money. Let's play the family plan here. So start your journey today with Nordpass. Access your account easily and securely from anywhere or on any device.